Oh no.
What's wrong?
I'm getting a call.
Your word. Onomatopoeia.
Huh?
Brianna, hurry, pass on the word.
This word is really hard. I don't want to pronounce it wrong.
Pass on your word.
No.
Come on, Brianna, it can't be that bad. What did you say? Is that even a word?
I know it's a hard word, Bessie, but you have to try your best. I don't want to lose you.
Kevin, come here. Onomatopoeia. What the? Jake, come here. Onomatopoeia. No, Kevin.
Are you serious? Why am I the one always getting calls?
Brianna, you need to answer it.
No, this isn't fair.
Hurry.